You may want to cut it off. Is that a big chunk of metal?
Good morning, boys. Welcome back to Red's Garage. Today we'll be working on the world's most reliable vehicle.
Hey Jerry!
Sup? Not too bad. Not too bad.
How are you doing with this Corona shenanigans thing?
I don't even know if there's space for shenanigans at this point, but we'll find out.
We'll find out, man. Today we need to basically make the car road ready and safer on the road. So we're gonna do a general maintenance and general checkup, check everything, check the suspension, check the bushings, check of course the engine, transmission things, give it a test drive, see if the car is safe on the road.
Okay, we just finished jacking it. We're about to do a suspension test here. Give it a little tug and see if there's any play on the wheel at all. And there's definite play on the wheel.
This is not road. This is not safe on the road.
You don't say. I mean, I've seen bad things, but come on.
Let's check the ball joint. Ball joint ain't that bad, but
Oh my god.
it's basically going on its own.
Alright, let's see the damage.
Oh no, it's not. There's no play in the tie rod. There's definitely some play in the steering rack. Oh god.
That's a different problem altogether.
Yep. Have a look at the ball joint, boys. Also bad. So till now it's lower ball joint and maybe inner tie rod end or the steering rack. I'm not sure yet.
On the bright side, it's got brand new brake pads. Okay, we're about to do a general fluid check. So engine oil, coolant level, transmission.
Tastes like water. So we need coolant. Let's go to the engine oil.
You used to have a dipstick.
Used to have.
So looking at it, bud.
Oh no, but not bad.
Let me see that. Yeah, let me get in there.
Really clean.
Yeah.
Fresh oil.
It's got good viscosity to it.
And tastes good.
Breakfast.
Tastes good.
Transmission though.
Oh, not too bad.
Still pretty pink.
It's not, doesn't have any water in it, so
It's a good start.
yes, okay. On the fluid side, it's not doing that bad, but on the suspension side though, need some love. Okay, Jerry, do you want me to start it?
Go for it. Step away to the side just in case it decides to explode in homicidal rage.
It's gotta go.
Yeah, well. Yo! What is that knock?
I'm not sure.
That was some belt slipping.
Doesn't sound that bad.
It could be better though.
Let's get the oil flowing.
Yeah, there it is.
Wait a second.
Yo!
I think we have some bad bearings, boys.
Really? How can you tell?
And on that. And this.
Jesus. That's pretty rough, man.
What's your expert opinion, Mr. Jerry?
There might be knock. There is knock.
Just a little bit of knock. Just a little bit.
Yeah, sure. A little bit. We'll call it that. It's like...
But it's knock in the higher RPMs. So, it knocks in the higher RPMs. So, this car is going to go for a lady that won't be driving it that hard. What if we try some additives?
Like?
Lucas oil stabilizer, STP oil treatment. I don't know what can we find in Aruba.
Well, we can go to the market, see what's up.
Road trip.
Road trip it is. Okay, boys. Normally, before you put in any kind of oil stabilizer additives, you want to make sure you have fresh oil in the engine. So after a service, probably best. But since we know the oil is good in this car, we're gonna head with the Lucas oil right away. And a little bit of seafoam just for seafoam's sake. That's about it.
Together we can grow.
Okay, I think the Lucas is about done here. Last drop, come on. Every drop counts.
Every last drop.
Go to the last drop, just like Folgers.
Yep.
Ah, damn it.
Good.
I don't drink coffee. Alright.
And the cap knows it.
That's on there. Alright. We found a place to put our seafoam in. That's a little vacuum line we found there. Got seafoam in hand. Give it the crank. Give it the beans. Hashtag sponsor us, Seafoam. There we go.
We now drain the engine with seafoam and then take, oh my god, we put more than half a can in it. That's perfectly fine. We have to let it sit for gasoline, diesel, for about 10 minutes.
Give or take.
Give or take.
Okay, it's been about 15 minutes, give or take. Seafoam has set in the engine. It's doing what it needs to do. Or it's done what it needs to do. And we're going to fire it up.
Let's go.
Crank it up. This is going to be dope, by the way. The best part about Seafoam is the smoke show you get with it. Okay. Since we got most of the smoke show out of the way, we're gonna see if we got rid of that engine knock with that Lucas oil stabilizer. We're gonna give it a couple of revs, see if she still knocks 4K.
Hey man, I think this engine is shot.
Are you sure?
Have a listen.
Oh, that's done. That's super done.
Holy!
Yeah, you may want to cut it off.
Maybe we should give it a few rips. What do you think?
Yeah. Go for it.
Okay. The engine's already damaged too.
Okay, but get in the car.
What the hell happened?
Great question. Great question. We'll figure out. It blew its guts a little bit.
Oh boy. Is that a big chunk of metal? It's the oil. There's a rod sticking to the oil pan.
No way.
Yeah.
Okay, so this looks pretty done. Absolutely shit the bed in this car. There's a little bit of oil dripping down still. Came out the side of the crankcase. Oh, the oil pan. Beautiful. Just beautiful.
I think some stuff came out of the oil pan, Jerry.
Yep. You turn it off, right?
Yeah, I turned it off. It didn't shut. It didn't stop. It made a lot of noise, but the engine didn't stop. I shut it on.
Yeah. You want to see where it goes?
Do you want to start it again? I'm not gonna rev it. Just gonna start it. Do you think it's gonna start?
If you turn it off, I guess that's enough compression to go.
One piston is definitely floating in the oil pan, so the engine's already shot, so we can't do much damage. Any more damage? Doesn't matter. Doesn't.
Want me to find out?
I'm gonna bet you a beer it's gonna start. Cause
Nah, no.
it did on a single crank.
I guess you owe me a beer.
I owe you a beer. It started. What do you think, man? You think oil additives can save an engine?
If you do it at the right time, the engine's not too far gone, I think you can get a few extra miles out of it. But this car didn't have any miles left on it.
No. If we got this car like a few years ago, we did proper maintenance, maybe we could have saved the engine, but we got it when it was too late far gone. We took out the dipstick earlier and we found metal chunks in it. That's only on the dipstick. You can't imagine in the filter, down in the pan, what else you got down there. But as you see, the rod came out of the oil pan, and that's a good day. It's a good day for engines and YouTube. It's a good day for YouTube and engines. It's not a good day for Ford Taurus.
Well, on the bright side, now you know when to put the oil in the car.
Yes.
Not when it's too late. If you hear a very small or gentle knock, throw it in there right away.
Yes.
Get it to mechanic, see what they can help you with.
Yes, sir.
Or fix it yourself.
Get on YouTube, see how to do videos and do an oil change. Oil change is the most important part of the engine, is the blood. You can have old spark plugs, it won't damage the engines, it will only run bad. But if you have bad oil, the bearings doesn't have a cushion between them. It's gonna be metal on metal, and that's really bad for bearings. So that's it for today, boys. We tried to fix the engine and it exploded on us. We didn't know why. And thank you for watching. Take care, subscribe, and have a good day, boys. Be safe.